He's just staring at the distance.
We are the kings.
What? You're what?
We are the kings. You're the kid and we are the
Oh, you're kids or kings?
kings.
Kings.
Are
Oh.
you a king? Yes, I'm a king.
Am I a queen or a king?
King.
What about you? Are you a queen or a king?
King.
No, you're a queen. Madam,
No,
please go this
I'm
way.
a king.
Okay. Then sit down on the throne.
No.
Leo. Luna, is Leo a king too?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm a king too.
But you're a girl. You can't be a king. You're a queen.
No, I'm the king.
But you're a girl. Boys are kings.
No, boys are girls.
Boys and girls.
Luna.
So, okay, Your Majesty King Luna, is that your name?
Yes, my king is Luna.
Oh yeah, you're King Luna?
Yeah,
And what's his name?
his name is Boys, a queen.
No, you're a queen. I'm a king.
No, I'm the king.
I'm gonna kill you. Leo, stop it. Leo, come here. You should the way he runs off the road. No, don't scare her. Luna, Leo.